Hi, this is Sonia with RC Solutions, and welcome to the hashtag Essence of Time, which is hosted by Vera of Spilled Coffee Crafts. And this is a 10-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your time, what would you make in that time frame? So yesterday, and this is day 54, by the way. So the last session, we didn't really get much done other than cutting out the little lady, and I did glue a few things on here. So today I want to go ahead and try to finish this layout. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the timer. And I had already started gluing some stuff on here. And I think I'm gonna put like a flower or something right there. And I'm just gonna go with it. And I put all this stuff in the envelope that I had considered putting the envelope on there, but I'm not real sure. I'm not sure now if I'm going to or not. So I think I'm going to use one of these flowers. Use this big one. I don't know, because I do need to use my stickers. Let's see how this will look. I'm just going to go with the flow and just stick it on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add this chair. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some glue. That way it'll stay permanently. I'm going to arrange it where it's going to be near. I need to put her on first. Let me add the little lady. I thought about jazzing her up, but I'm good. I'll be here all day if I do that. And then the page will be too thick. So, because this is already pretty thick right here. But I'm cool with it. Go ahead and get her glued down. And then we're going to add this stool as if like she's standing there touching the stool. I really should have put something behind that. And I still can. Let me see if I can find a flower that can kind of go up. I'm going to town on these stickers. But it's a great way to use it up. Let's see. I need individual ones. But I don't want it too thick. I want it kind of thin but tall. So, let's see. Sometimes having choices isn't always a good thing for me. Because I just don't know. I'm so indecisive. Just don't know what I want. I think I'll go... I think I'll go with this. I like this sticker right here. Oops. Because I like how it has that light color envelope that the flowers are in. And so I think it would look good behind that stool. Because it lightens it up just enough to where you can see the stool. I'm trying to create a scenery here. Let's see. Yeah, we need something else down through here. But what, I don't know. Oh, I could use my other embellishments. Let's see. A latte. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this little latte right here. And then I may have to kind of edit it, but like add some media around it just to kind of make it blend in. Maybe paint around it or something. Maybe, we'll see. Oh, then that'll be another whole day. Maybe I should put this donut right there too on the table. Nah, that's too big. Or this little cupcake, you know. Why not, you know? Let's see. Then maybe, I don't know. We need something solid. I think I'll put this here, and then we'll just add in some, or I'm gonna just start gluing stuff. If I think it might look good, I'm just gonna glue it on there. This is left over from what I had from my Seed Gather Create project. I had a circle, but since she's wearing yellow, I can just kind of bring that in too. And then maybe, let's see. I do like that key. And I like that circle. I like that lock as well. Let's put this little floral thing right here in her hair. And maybe we can put this key. We'll put the key over here. And this is going to basically be a one-page layout, because by the time I get this page done, we're going to need some more stuff on the other page. Just want to glue this down. Like I said, I may have to take a pen or something and then just kind of go around. I might take paint. I don't know. Let's see. Should I put this little book right here? Yeah, I'm going to put that book right there. All right. Well, that's all I got for today. I'm really working on this. So, yeah, it's going to be another day. I can't believe I'm working on this so long. I'm definitely going to take some paints and kind of go around this just to make it blend in. And this will be my Parisian theme on this one side, and then kind of coffee, like it comes over to coffee theme on this side. I might just put like a pocket or something on this side to kind of keep it so the focal point will be over here on my next session. So yeah, next session I'm probably going to take some paints and we're going to try to blend this in. I hope I don't mess it up. So what I'm going to do though is I'm not going to take a picture of this session for Instagram. I'll wait till it's complete and then I'll take a picture for Instagram. And then just show that what I did on all of my sessions. All right, so that's it for today. This was day 54. And until next time, happy crafting.